In this video, we're going to look at the Khan Academy Challenge Apples and Bananas classes. So it tells us that we have this song here and some lyrics, and that there are already classes on most of the words about apples and bananas. And so when it says that there's already classes, that means if we scroll down a little bit here, we can see that there's a class here, a class here, class here, class here. Okay, so the classes have already been set inside the HTML as the attributes here. Okay, so that part's already done. But what it wants us to do is we need to add two style rules: one that sets the color for apples and another that sets the color for bananas. Okay, so again, when we're working with CSS, we need to be inside of our style tag. So we have style, closing style. So for CSS, I need to be inside of there. And I want to do, it's a class, so I need to start my class with a period, and I need to type apples. And then that is my selector. And so the period apples is selecting everything that has the class apples inside the HTML. And I need to do my curly braces, enter, automatically adds the ending curly brace, and I want to do color and colon and red for apples. And so then that changed everywhere that the class of apples is in this whole document, which is most of all these apples. It made them all red because I typed red there. And then basically I'm going to do extremely similar for the bananas. Again, I'm using a class of bananas, so what I need to do is I need to start with a period, and I need to do bananas. Okay, and then that's my selector. I'm selecting all the bananas, and then I'm going to do curly braces and enter, and I'm going to do color colon yellow. Okay, and so then it changed all of the bananas to yellow because of the class bananas all over the place here. Okay, so then it says next step. I'm going to do that, and it says the final long line of the song has no classes on the strong tags. Add the apples class to the first strong and the bananas class to the second strong. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down again, go all the way to the bottom, and this is what it's talking about at the bottom here. So it says the strong is included to make these bold, but there's no classes here. So what I need to do is I need to come inside of my tag and add an attribute of apples. So I'm going to do class equals quotes apples. Okay, and so then that I added this class as an attribute inside of this strong tag. Attributes are always inside of another tag. And then so for the bananas one, I'm going to do class equals quotes bananas. Okay, and then told me all steps are complete. So then these ones changed color down here as well, and that is everything I needed to do on that one. Finish challenge. Onwards.